For 19 through 22, we're going to use our triangle midsegment theorem to answer. So I've got my midsegment theorem. I know that this is a midsegment because my two sides are congruent. That T is a midpoint because its two sides are congruent. And that U is a midpoint because its two sides are congruent. So because it's on the midpoint of each one of them, those are all going to be midsegments. SU is a midsegment and ST is a midsegment. So sorry guys, didn't mean to do that. So if I want to just be specific, ST is midsegment. And SU is also a midsegment. Remember, it only is a midsegment if it cuts that one each side in half. So it wants us to find the length of ST. Well, I know, I'm going to go with highlighter here, which is going to be different when you guys look at the key online. But ST is the midsegment, and it's related to PR. Well, the midsegment relationship is my midsegment is half the length of 24, so which is PR. So it's half of PR. Well, if PR is 24 and we divide that by 2, my midsegment is 12. PU, again, we're sorry guys, we have to erase. The key's not going to show it, but you've got live action, so you're ready to roll. So PU is this segment here. Well, if 24 is the full length, well then half of 24 is 12. Look at that. Magic. Nice and easy one. Didn't even have to use the midsegment. Next one, QR. So now it wants me to find the length of this side. The midsegment that's associated with that, the one that's parallel, is SU. So we know SU is 11, so it's going to be 2 times, can't write in highlighter dummy, 2 times segment SU, so 2 times 11, which is 22. Perfect. And angle SUP. So they're trying to mess with you. Don't let them trick you. They're just trying to mess with you and come back again from Unit 2. So remember, if these two lines are parallel and they are cut by a transversal, I am inside and, can't write there. So it's an inside angle and an inside angle on the same side of the transversal. Those are corresponding angles. Not corresponding, I'm sorry. Same side interior, same side of the transversal, inside my parallel lines, and that is a supplementary relationship. So it's supplementary. So I know that those two angles added together will equal 180. So I'm going to go 55 plus X equals 180. Now it's just as easy as subtracting 55 from both sides. So X equals 125. But let me double check just because I like to be accurate. So my answer is 125. Guys, when I look at this midsegment, because these lines are parallel, I could also ask you guys about this angle, which would be alternate interior, which is just 55. I could have asked you about this angle up top, which is a linear pair, which I know reacts. So do not forget the things we learned in Unit 2 and just kind of flush it as we go. Geometry very much stacks on top of itself. Thank you.